You keep waiting for the version of yourself that wakes up and changes everything. But that version does not come from waiting. It comes from what you do the next time your thumb reaches for that screen. So today, I'm gonna give you six things, six real things to do instead of doom scrolling. And the last one is honestly the one that changed my life the most. Replace it. Don't just quit it. First thing you gotta understand, you can't just delete the habit and leave a hole where it used to be. Your brain will grow crawling right back to the app if there's nothing else to grab onto. So here's an easy one. Pick up a hobby that actually makes you think. For example, chess. It is perfect for this. Free, you can even play it on your phone, but it actually uses your brain instead of numbing it out. A few games a day, and you will notice something scrolling never gave you. You are actually getting better at something. Your body. Second thing, and this one changed everything for me. Start moving your body. Does not need to be a crazy gym routine. Start with just 20 push ups a day. Pair that with eating a little better and sleeping on time. Yeah, everyone says this, but there must be a reason. Everyone says it. When you are eating junk and sleeping at 3 a.m., your brain literally craves that cheap dopamine hit from scrolling. Fix those two, and you naturally have more energy to do real stuff. Plan your day. Here's a big one. Plan your day out. Even just a rough list. Because most of the time, we scroll isn't because we love it. It's because we don't know what else to do in that moment. If you already know, after lunch, I'm going for a walk. When I'm working on this project, your hand does not reach for the phone the same way. Boredom is what opens the app. Kill the boredom before it starts. Get outside. And on that note, just get outside. Man, does not matter what you do. Play football with guys, go on a walk, get on a bike, and ride around your neighborhood. You don't realize how much is actually happening outside your room until you step out there. Fresh air resets your head better than any app ever could. Build something people can see. Now, here's where it gets fun. Instead of just consuming content all day, start making it. Start a YouTube channel. Does not have to be big. Talk about what you are learning, what you are into. Make videos about your journey, your workouts, your hobbies. If content creation isn't your thing, that's fine, but build something. Learn to code, learn graphics design, learn video editing. These aren't just cool skills. They can actually build your future. Imagine spending that same time you would waste scrolling, learning video editing instead. 6 months from now, you are not the same person. My favorite one. Learn some high value skills. And this is the one I said would be my favorite. So here it is. If you really want to flip the switch, go learn skills that are in serious demand right now, like video editing, copywriting, data analytics. These are things companies and even creators are paying real money for. And you can learn the basics for free on the same platform you were mindlessly scrolling on 10 minutes ago. I'm not saying delete your apps and become a monk. I'm saying don't let your days slip away from you. Every hour scrolling is an hour you're not spending becoming who you actually want to be. You don't need to fix your whole life today. Just don't doom scroll today. That's the whole goal. Alright, that's it. Go put your phones down and go to do something. I'll see you in the next one.